Hello everyone, welcome back to our IP audio series tutorial. In this episode, I will introduce the P2P feature of M100 Dispatch Microphone Console S button feature. With the P2P feature, M100 can realize one-touch quick call to a single terminal device for M100 without the need of server. In this way, you don't need to register M100 and speaker to the SIP server. The P2P feature can be used in some emergent situation, and you can contact the specific personnel immediately. Such as the security guard found out there's a conflict between students. He can report to the teachers in the office and make them handle it. Next, I'll demonstrate how to configure it. Here I will take M100 and SC10 speaker as an example. First, you don't need to register the two devices to the IP Audio Center. You can check if it's registered to the server in SC10's web GUI. Now the SIP account is deactivated. Next, you should go to enable the P2P feature. Go to SIP settings P2P account page. Enable the user authentication setting. Fill in the user ID of SC10 such as 198. User authentication is for enhancing the safety of P2P calls. And also you can choose auto answer delay or not. When choosing no or answer delay, you can set the ringtone of SC10. In this demonstration we select auto answer for a better performance. Then activate the P2P feature and save the setting. The configuration of SC10 is done. Return to the web GUI interface of M100 and enter basic settings button settings to make settings. Select a button to set. Select outgoing call in the actions option, and the audio source can be selected differently. Here we select the microphone, and then we fill in the destination with the user ID of SC10 plus the IP address of SC10 such as 198.192.168.198, and select the line with P2P account. Then activate and submit. In this way, the paging audio stream will be sent to the SC10 by using the P2P. After the setting is completed, we will conduct a test. Click the button we just set on the M100, and you could finish paging to the SC10 speaker in this way.